Good morning, Indira Shah here. Today I'm here in my garden. This is morning 6:30. The weather is very nice, so I thought why not I shoot my YouTube channel here today. I'll be making shampoo. Okay, for the shampoo making, I have taken around 10 shikakai. This is shikakai. I've taken around 10. This is soapnut kai, they say, soapnut seed. I have taken about 10. This is, you have to remove the skin and the inside there's a seed. That seed you have to put it. Here I have taken 10 each, and yesterday night I soaked them in 4 glasses of water. Okay, yesterday night I soaked them in 4 glasses of water. This is a shampoo. This you can make it every weekend and store it for a week. Okay, not in the fridge, you can store it outside. Every week you need to make. This is totally organic, and to this I'll be adding the onion peel here and guava leaf here. Guava leaf has got lots of benefits. One the benefit is it immediately arrests the hair fall. Okay, so take 2 of them. This is cleaned after yesterday's rain, so you need not clean. Here, take drink decoction of guava leaves every day. This will reduce the diabetes, they say, and I have been doing it. This is very good. This has lots of other benefits. If you or your kid have a diarrhea or a loose motion or whatever it is, just give a decoction of this. Immediately it will stop. Okay, now I have added 10 numbers of shikakai and 10 soap nut seed to 4 glasses of water. I soaked this overnight. Now I am going to boil it for about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, after that I'll come back to you. See, the shampoo is boiling well. Let it boil for another 10 minutes. Then you should cool it. So I'll come back to you. I'll show you the process also. Now this is almost 25 minutes. This is done. I'm going to put off the flame. Now what you should do is wait for, just keep it covered for 10 minutes. Then cool it. Let it cool completely. Then I'll show you what is to be done next. See, now the shampoo is ready. Here, what you do is now squeeze it well. See, you may not get the lather as you get it in the usual chemically based shampoos. And chemically based shampoos are very harmful to your scalp, your hair. So stop using that and start making this. This is very good. Even for a newborn child you can use this. And this is my roots oil. Organically I have made this, and I have used around 30 ingredients, and most of the ingredients are grown by me organically. Now filter this. See the lather. This, now don't discard this. Okay, this again you can add little more water, boil it and make the shampoo for today's use. Okay, or you can use it to scrub your oily vessels or anything, and then you can compost this. Now see, the best organic shikakai and soap nut seed based shampoo is ready. Please use this. This is very easy to make. Anyone can make it. You will get all these ingredients, the shikaka and the soap, in any of the Grantike shops. So buy them today and make it. And please use Roots hair oil. This hair oil is made by me using 3 oils and about 30 this thing. This will help in arresting hair fall. It helps in hair growth. Then it stops premature graying. It helps to control dandruff and the itching of the scalp. This you can message me if you want it. And please make your shampoo today and give me your feedback. You may not get the lather as you get it in the chemical based shampoo, but this will certainly clean your scalp and the hair. Okay, thank you for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. Thank you again. If you have not subscribed the my channel, please subscribe it today and press the bell button for the next notification. Now start growing a guava plant in your garden. I have I have put it in a bucket. You can put it in a small pot also. What you need is the leaves. The leaves are very good for many things. It's good to bring down your sugar level. So thank you.